If you're using or even thinking about using Teachable to deliver your online courses to your students, stop right now and watch this 3-minute video because it could be the most important 3 minutes in your business this year. Hi, my name is Brian Moran and I'm one of the co-founders at SamCart, which is the most trusted sales platform for online course creators just like you. And what if I could show you one simple trick that could double the amount of people who buy your course each month? I know it might sound like pie in the sky, but it's not, and I'll prove it to you. Listen. Teachable is great at delivering online courses. They make it easy for you to upload videos and create modules, but when it comes to helping you sell that course, they fall short. They make it tough to easily customize your sales and checkout pages. You have to force your customers through multi-step checkout processes. It's hard to figure out if your page is actually converting well, and doesn't work very well with the other tools that you're already using. And when you combine all those things together, it ends up costing you a ton of sales that you should be making. But here's the good news. SamCart takes care of all of those things, plus gives you tons of extra tools that help you convert twice as many people into paying customers. And the even better news is SamCart and Teachable work seamlessly together so that you can automatically give access to any course anytime someone makes a purchase. With SamCart, you just pick any one of our pre-designed sales page templates and use our drag and drop builder to customize it however you'd like. You can quickly add headlines that grab your reader's attention, text that conveys the benefits of your product, video that shows off the product in detail, bullets that outline everything your customer is going to get, buttons for making easy call to actions, timers that give your prospect a reason to act now, guarantees that remove the risk, testimonials to increase trust, FAQs that answer common objections, and progress bars so that your visitor knows how close they are to completing their order. And if you want to save even more time, you can drag on one of our pre-made collections and create these pages even faster. To boost conversion even more, you can add payment options to your page, which comes in handy if you want to offer a payment plan for a more expensive product. You can easily split test between different page designs, and you can use our cart abandonment app to make sure anyone who forgets to complete their order gets an automated third-party email or text message that brings them back to complete that purchase. Within just a few minutes, you have a gorgeous page that is designed from the ground up to convince 2 to 3 times more people to buy your course. Plus, with a few clicks, you can add simple add-on offers that let your customers add extra courses to their account right before they check out. On average, these simple add-ons increase revenue by up to 42%. Next, you can quickly create a one-click upsell page that makes a special offer to your customers right after they buy. On average, these simple upsell offers increase revenue by 61%. And yes, you can even split test these pages as well. And if you have a support or sales team, you can securely add other items to customers' order with just one click using the credit card that they bought with previously. Within just a few minutes, you're now getting your customers to spend twice as much money every time they buy from you. SamCart also lets you effortlessly bring customers back again and again to buy more products from you by automating dozens of different tasks inside of other tools you're already using. You can send an email follow-up campaign that sells your products by adding your customers to your email list. Trigger sales tasks inside of your CRM, fire off automated third-party text messages, or trigger a Facebook Messenger sequence. You can track all your stats in our live streaming dashboard, run traffic and conversion reports to find out where your sales are coming from, send your messages to your own thank you page, and give your affiliates an entire platform to sell your products for you. SamCart can securely deliver digital files to your customers, automatically enroll people in your course, trigger a new shipment from your fulfillment center, fire a conversion pixel, send a Slack message to a team member when someone buys, and our Subscription Saver app automatically recovers failed subscription payments for you behind the scenes. Plus, these pages support any type of product that you want to sell. You can sell digital products like ebooks and online courses, physical products like t-shirts or skateboards, and even services like custom web design or coaching. You can charge one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, fixed payment plans, free trials, paid trials, and anything in between. And if you ever need help, our team is always standing by. You can click the help button inside of your dashboard to get dozens of video walkthroughs and tutorials, join our private Facebook group where you can get help from thousands of other SamCart users, or message our team inside the app anytime using the blue icon on the bottom right of your dashboard. We have 3 different plans for you to choose from based on what you need, so just scroll down, pick the plan that you want, and try it out completely free and see for yourself why so many of the top Teachable creators are already using SamCart to convert more customers, drive up customer value, and simplify their business. Plus, we're so confident in SamCart that I've created the Conversion Boost Guarantee, which means that if your SamCart store doesn't sell more of your courses than Teachable does, we'll refund your account and pay for your next month of Teachable. And if you're thinking, I'd love to switch to SamCart, but I'm not sure if I have the time, I have some good news. If you qualify, we now offer concierge onboarding where we'll work with you and set up all of your pages and connect them to Teachable so that you don't have to worry about it. Just scroll down, pick the plan that you want, and grab your free trial and see what SamCart can do for you.
These guys have done something really incredible with this.
The tool's great, the pages you put together are beautiful.
It's all just fantastic.
Been a game changer for me.
I highly recommend SamCart.
Support is fantastic.
As soon as you log in, all the figures that matter to your bottom line are there. They look pretty, they're really easy to read.
It's so simple and easy to set up.
And it's by far the #1 tool that I found online for doing just that.
I'm testing SamCart versus normal ads and e-commerce and stuff like that, and it's just blowing them out of the water.